here. We just bought this real nice light setup here. We got a Toyota 4Runner, and how much was that light set at Walmart?
$24.95.
Yeah, see, so we're gonna go ahead and install it here, hopefully before it gets dark. Sun's going down, and then if we get it installed in time, then we can do some driving with testing these things out in the dark. So, alrighty, so we got a little bit of an issue here. The fastener for the fastener, it's right here for the light. It is not quite fitting in the grill. It's
that looks good.
It's too wide to fit through, and it's also not long enough. So we might have to come up with a plan B and either grind down this fastener a little bit or maybe go buy a new one. But you know, always gotta adapt and overcome. We've got this great setup going on. We got like some, basically it looks like KC lights up there on the 4Runner. So, you know, now the hard part is just figuring out how to wire these. Yeah, none of us are electricians, so we're not really sure how we're gonna actually get this into a power source, but that is the next task to complete. Okay guys, so we just figured out a way to get those lights mounted up on top like I showed you. We now have found that we need washers and a few other materials. So we're running to Menards right now before they close, and I'll keep you guys updated on how it goes.
You can always come up here and angle them down wherever you need them.
Got the washers, got a couple wire connectors, all $5. So, you know, we're just rolling right now. Pretty close to getting these lights installed, and then it's go time.
Wiring.
So right now, we've got these lights, they both work, and we've got them pretty much tightened up on here.
That's not going anywhere.
We just put a crap ton of washers right underneath the nut and bolt, and that thing ain't going anywhere. So now it's just a matter of getting the wires from the battery up to the lights in a clean fashion, so it doesn't look like there's a bunch of wires sticking out. So it's a work in progress, but
it's going good, Grant.
Yeah, it's going pretty good. Lights are installed. However, the electrical work is still in the process of being done. We're basically connecting the brights to these lights up here, so when the bright lights of the car are turned on, they should sync up, but we're having some issues, so yes, it's a challenge that we are glad to accept. It is also almost midnight and we're getting tired, but we will keep fighting. Here we go. Moment of truth.
Yeah.
Yes!
Yep.
Yes! We got it to work, boys. Let's go. Alright. So, that was just the check to make sure that we had a complete circuit and it works.
Do it again. Oh, heck
Lights
yeah.
are on. That is bright.
Do it again.
So now we're working on
Cleaner install, basically.
yes. So we got it to work technically, but that was a very rough looking, and there's lots of wires and stuff going on. So we're basically splicing the negative wire, is it?
Yeah, we're doing negative this time.
Splicing the negative wire back to the brights terminal, and that way it can be a full circuit, and then all we got to do after that is
Zip ties.
Grant, show it off.
But yeah, all your wiring.
Show it off, man. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Here, Mac.
All that hard work paid off.
Alright.
That's pretty sweet. That's pretty sweet.
Alright, are you just walking?
Keeping it moving, keeping it moving. What are we doing if we ain't moving? Hey, keeping it moving. Like, what are we doing if we ain't moving? Keeping it groovy. Hey, yeah. I own the business, I don't own a suit. They don't want to squeeze, but they want the juice. Hey, it all fall on me, I don't make an excuse. So I don't got time to get a masseuse. I do what I do, I'm making it work. You doing too much, you making it worse. I'm hitting the road, I'm making the merch. When I get home, I make it to church. I'm overseas, acting like I'm back in the borough. Shouting I'm spending euros, I need dessert. I got the churro, I give them work. Like referral, I got the word, and that's eternal. I write the raps, I don't write a journal. Hey, let's have a conversation. I ain't the type to go talk crazy when they come around, act all gravy.